So what this one is about is how to cook broccoli in Instapot, and after it's cooked, how to combine it with a pre-existing meal.
Welcome to Vegan Kiwis to Pistachio. Let's get started.
So we're going to get started. Step 1. Take apart your broccoli and then put it in the Instapot liner. Okay, take your vegetable steamer, open it up, and then drop it in. It's got these little feet here, protects your vegetables. Then take your broccoli, this has already been washed, and drop it in. These guys there, they can go just like that. And you can cut them off or you can pull them off. Doesn't really make any difference. You're getting what you're trying to get at. You're trying to get to the flowers. Okay, so you've got to put in 1.5 cups. Now this time you can pour right on top of the flour. In this case, the broccoli. You have to put in 1.5 cups of water. Next thing you do, you put the lid on. We make sure it's a sealing. Let me show you this. Make sure this thing's in the center. So we're going to press manual. We're at 8. So I'm going to go down to 1. And then as soon as it's finished, it's going to settle itself to on position. And it's starting its cycle now. So what does that mean, L4? That means that it rang, I wasn't here for 4 minutes, so now we're turning it off. We're going to check the steam on it, and we're going to fast vent this because I don't want it to turn gray. I want it to cook, but I don't want it to overcook. I'm going to get a towel. This is really hot, so you don't want to do this with, you're just going to put it over the top. You can't see the steam like I can, so we're just going to vent this out. Still going strong. Now that's called fast venting. Okay, just drop right now. Okay, so we're going to turn. The music tells you that it's ready to be open. You pick up the lid, you make the juice fall on the inside, and you put the lid in someplace safe. I already have towels over here. Let me show you. Here's the towel. Okay. Now this should be ready. And it goes right through. So that's how you know it's ready. Even the thick pieces. See? Goes right through. So what we're doing next is we're going to pull the broccoli out of the inner pot, and we're going to bring it to the dish, into this dish right over here. These are called scissor thongs. Just to make it easier so that you can see. So once the broccoli is on top, we're just going to mix the existing black pea stew that I created, and we're going to mix the broccoli into it. And then once that's done, we're going to use some, this normally would be cashew cheese, but I ran out of cashews. I made it with almonds. We'll pour that on top. It's still going to be just as delicious as the cashews. The almond just gives it a different flavor, slightly different flavor. And that's it. So you can cook your vegetables for 1 minute in the pressure cooker. Altogether it was 5 minutes. And then I had already created the black pea soup. So this was all ready for me, so that made it easy. And that's all you have to do. So you take this out of your freezer, you warm it up on the stove top, you use your fresh, delicious, clean broccoli, and then you pour the cashew cheese sauce on the top of it. Makes a perfect dinner, and I'm going to taste it right now. And it's just plain delicious. It's all the flavors I'm used to. And to store it, it's even easier. We'll push this away. You just get yourself another plastic container and you just simply pull it off and you just put it inside. And you can use it for inside salads. You can use it like that as a vegetable alternative. You can't beat this. And then really cool thing is that this juice here has nothing, there's nothing wrong with this broth here on the bottom. There's no salt in it. I can use this for even more vegetable dishes further down the line. So this is the final plate. Thank you for watching, and I will look forward to seeing you in our next video.
If you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.